In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted or modified entries in QuickBooks. This is an essential skill for anyone managing finances in a business, whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with bookkeeping. Understanding how to locate these entries can help you maintain an accurate financial record and quickly rectify any discrepancies. Let's start by navigating to QuickBooks. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks homepage. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can follow along seamlessly. This is a platform trusted by many for its comprehensive financial management tools, and with a few clicks, you'll be navigating it effortlessly. Once you're in QuickBooks, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find various options. Click on Reports. This area of QuickBooks is rich with information, providing various report types that are pivotal for tracking your financial activities. It's like the dashboard of your car, giving you insight into exactly where you stand financially. Now, we're going to narrow down our search. In the search bar at the top of the reports page, type the word highlight. This will help to streamline your choices and zero in on the specific data you need. Although there are abundant options, you will want to focus on those that pertain to the changes in your transactions. After you've typed in highlight, find and click on Audit Log. This feature is a goldmine for tracking changes. The audit log gives you a comprehensive view of the activity within your account. It's designed to provide transparency, allowing you to see who has made changes, deletions, or modifications to entries within your QuickBooks account. Next, focus on the Events tab within the audit log. Clicking on this will guide you to a detailed record of every action made. By reviewing the events, you'll be able to identify any adjustments, pinpoint the exact time and user responsible, and catch any unauthorized changes. Now click on Deleted, Voided Transactions. This section is incredibly resourceful as it showcases any transactions that have been removed or voided. This tool can be invaluable in understanding why certain transactions were deleted or if there's any fraudulent activity afoot. Each entry will provide details, enabling you to proceed with clarity and confidence. Remember, QuickBooks is a powerful tool when used effectively. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you ensure a more transparent and precise accounting process. Whether you're reconciling accounts or verifying financial data, knowing how to navigate the audit log and deleted voided transactions areas will support a more robust and error-free bookkeeping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the insight needed to manage your QuickBooks records more effectively. Feel free to reach out with any questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!